It's time for Noise Box! Woohoo!
Fotty, there couldn't be anything else in the noise box, could there be?
No way! Whoa, look at that!
Oh my gosh!
It's amazing!
It's a piano!
Yeah!
Wow!
Do any of you kiddos play at home? Would you like to hear what it sounds like?
I would.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, here we go. Oh, I love that! Yes.
Good job, Fotty.
Pretty good, huh? Bye, piano.
Bye. Thanks, Noise Box. We'll see you and hear you next time.
Yeah! Hey, kiddos, do you have noisy things at your house? Well, why don't you tell us about it, and maybe we can find them in the Noise Box next time.
Great idea, Fotty.
Yeah!
Bye.
Bye!
Piano.